Hello everyone! Welcome to my channel Creative Workshop of Oksana Akulskaya. Today there will be an interesting video. I will show you what I carry in my bag in order to look beautiful and fresh all day. For a woman, a bag is an accessory, beacon of secrets and joy, a symbol of status and a subject of pride. I do not understand how can exit from the house without a vanity mirror and thousands of sorts of goodies for all eventualities. If you enjoy my video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click on the bell so that you don't miss my coming video. See you soon!